Meanwhile, starting at 6 o'clock today, everyone in the state of Ohio will be required to wear a mask in public buildings and outside if they cannot socially distance. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan is live to clear up some questions and some misconceptions about this new order. What are they?
Hi, Tanya. Our posts about Ohio Governor Mike DeWine's new mask order sparked a lot of discussion online and a lot of confusion. So I took some of those questions and claims to a law professor at Northern Kentucky University who broke everything down.
The wearing of the mask plus the social distancing makes a huge difference.
Public health officials in Ohio and across the country all agree wearing masks will help prevent the spread of COVID-19. But Governor DeWine's mask order has been met with some skepticism online. These people commented on WCPO's Facebook page that the order is not a real law and the governor needs to involve the legislature. Sentiments NKU professor of law Ken Katkin understands.
And it seems like it's just to a lot of people like the governor may be getting out in front here and making up the laws at the same time that he's enforcing them.
But in Ohio, there's already a law on the books passed by the state legislature giving the Department of Health the authority to enact these kinds of orders to prevent the spread of a contagious or infectious disease.
That's a statute that already exists that the legislature enacted, and that's the statute that the director of health in Ohio has relied on.
Others commented that the Fourth or Fifth Amendments offer protection from a mask order, but Katkin says that's not the case either.
I have heard of that. I think people have overly expansive ideas of their rights under the Fourth and Fifth Amendment.
Katkin says those amendments offer very specific protections that would not be relevant against a mask order. Other commenters point to health privacy law, believing that it prevents businesses from asking people not to wear masks if they have a medical condition. But as explained by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HIPAA applies only to specific healthcare organizations and individuals.
We've got to get this virus under control. Wearing masks is going to make a difference. It will make a difference in what our fall looks like.
Katkin says it is clear the Ohio Department of Health under Governor DeWine does have the authority to order to people wear masks in this situation, but he says enforcement is another story. We know the state is looking at local health departments, not law enforcement, to make sure people are following this order. Reporting live in Mount Adams, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9.